So for anyone there that has a lot of noise from this WPL Toys D12 motor, especially you can hear that buzzing noise at when you start using the throttle. So to lower this noise, I watched a video from Maker Fabio, and he suggested using a capacitor and an inductor to dissipate the spikes produced at low RPM. So to do this, I first tried to use 330 microfarad capacitor, two of them in series, and a choke which was 220 microhenries, but this was a bit high and it was overheating. I put an update, a reply to Fabio, and he said that yeah, I should try with a smaller larger capacitor, 2000 microfarads minimum, and also 10 microhenries inductor of the same size. I went online and what I could find that could be delivered as soon as possible, but be still a reasonable large size. I found this CD54 inductor, power inductor SMD, which is 10 microhenries, like I said. And then instead of just a normal electrolytic capacitor, I went with low ESR capacitor, which is 2200 microfarads, 25 volts. So I did all the circuit like he suggested, and I'll put the link in the description. And I will show you now exactly how it sounds like. I'll go as close as possible, but you can literally do not hear any noise almost. You have to put your ear very close to the motor to actually hear any noise. And the inductor is not overheating anymore. So I definitely recommend these components if anyone wants to try them to lower the noise on your little truck. Thank you for watching. Hope it's useful for you.